Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add opening balances in Zoho Books. Adding opening balances is essential when migrating from another accounting system to Zoho Books, ensuring your financial data is accurate from day one. First, log into your Zoho Books account. On the top right corner, click on Settings. Under the Organization section, select Opening Balances. Next, choose your migration date. This is the date you generated your trial balance report in your previous accounting system. For example, let's say the migration date is May 4th, 2025. For manually input your opening balances, click Edit. Scroll through the sections for assets, liabilities, and other categories. Enter the values for each item. For example, petty cash, £2,500. Furniture, equipment, £5,000. Credit card charges, £500. Ensure that your debit and credit totals balance. If needed, add adjustments to make the totals match. For instance, add £10,000 to the credit side if required. Once everything balances, click Continue. Review all your opening balances, confirm, and then click OK. And that's it. Your opening balances are now successfully added in Zoho Books, ready for accurate accounting and reporting. Thanks for watching. Make sure your balances align with your trial balance for a smooth migration.